Hi everybody. So we're off to Maryhill
State Park.
It's on the top part of the Columbia River.
Right in between Washington and Oregon.
Yeah.
It's really pretty there.
Yep.
We've been there before.
So we can see we have the bikes and the dogs, and I don't know if you can see it back there, but there's
really
kayaks in the back. We'll show those.
So hopefully they make
Yeah.
it.
Hope so.
Check in when we get there.
Well.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Excited to go back to Maryhill campground. We've been there a couple of times before, and it's just a really beautiful campground, and we were meeting up with some friends of ours for the weekend, and the weather was supposed to be beautiful, and there's just a lot of good stuff to do at Maryhill, so we were really looking forward to this trip.
Hi guys. Hi. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. It's gone for a month.
These came just in time yesterday. We had one set that we got, but they didn't have the little legs on them. So they had to send us a replacement, and Paul installed them yesterday, and they are amazing. So much better. They look dead. Kind of.
Very difficult to get into.
Nice little sun flare. Woo-wee! So in the Maryhill area, there are lots of fun things to do, including Stonehenge, which is basically just kind of like a, I don't know, it's a monument that's replicated, you know, the Stonehenge, wherever Stonehenge is, I don't really know.
England or something? I'm not sure.
Oh gosh, we sound really terrible right now. But it's a really cool structure. There are plaques dedicated to, I believe...
I think it's World War I vets.
I think so, yeah, I think you're right. And then when you go out of the structure, the views are really gorgeous of the Columbia River and just of the valley. And you can see the campground, and I think it's Mount Hood.
I think it was either Mount Hood or Mount Baker.
Yeah,
one of the two.
so you'll see it here in the distance. It's just a really beautiful valley, and we really enjoy all the different things there are to do in this area. And then right across the river is Oregon. So this right here is our campground. Right here. This is Mount Hood. This is the Columbia River.
Directly across from the Stonehenge is a Veterans Memorial, and it's dedicated to, I think it's Korea War World War One, World War Two.
I think it's people that were from
in
this
Afghanistan.
area.
Yeah, it was super cool that they dedicated
Yeah.
just from this this area, the Maryhill area.
Yeah, it was really neat.
Yeah, we
It's
enjoyed
a
it.
cool thing to see. So another really fun thing to do if you're in this area is to go to the Maryhill Winery. And there's a big amphitheater, which they actually don't run concerts anymore, but the winery is a fantastic spot. We definitely recommend it if you're in this area. They have a really nice covered patio where you can sit and have some food and drink some wine. When we were there, they were actually having a wine tasting.
It was a free wine tasting.
It was like a sample sale or something on I can't remember what they called it, but it was really cool. It was kind of in their little warehouse, and we got to sample a bunch of the different wines, and then we went inside and purchased a bottle and got a little nosh plate and just sat and enjoyed the beautiful scenery and the beautiful weather, and it was a lot of fun. We definitely recommend hitting up Maryhill Winery if you ever are in the area.
Yeah.
You like it?
It's not my favorite. But
Thanks for coming in and enjoying this video. We didn't do a whole lot of talking during the actual video or doing any recording, just because we had friends with us and we they really didn't want to be recorded too much.
Well,
so
we wanted to enjoy the time with our friends for sure. So
yeah.
But we really hope that you enjoyed this video. There's going to be lots more to come. So definitely subscribe and hit the like button and the notification bell so you get notified every time we drop a new video. And we will see you very soon.